Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you all are doing great. Today I will share with you about top motorcycle accident law firm. So let's go. Motorcycle accident law firm. Motorcycle accident present dangers not present in other kind of vehicular accidents. Motorcycles travel much faster than bicycles but offer no protection from a collisions. Diverse bodies are exposed to the collisions on the can be crushed between their motorcycle and the other vehicle. The combined speed of the collision can be as much as 22 mph, which is sufficient to level a person's body virtually liquefied on the road. In any event, motorcycle accident often result in the loss of limb or the loss of life. If you have just been a motorcycle and are looking for information on what to do next road hour, what should I do after a motorcycle accident, you can go there. Then you can get here any information. For a motorcycle rider, few things are as feeling as hitting the open road. Motorcycle provide a unique experience that allows you to connect to the sights, sound and scares of the road around you. However, this exposure to the outside world is also what makes motorcycle more dangerous. Even if you are aware of the dangers, you likely assume that an accident won't happen to you. Maybe you think you are too good a driver, or perhaps you simply are not the type of plan for the worst. Either way, it's good idea to be aware of what you should do in case an accident occurs. On the sense, the immediate steps following an accident, get aware of the road. The first and most crucial step after an accident is making sure you are safe. If you can move, do what you can to get out of the road. If impossible, move your motorcycle out of the way as well. If you can't move, do what you can to alert people in the area so someone can help divert oncoming traffic. Unique help arrives. Call for information. Even if you don't feel any pain or discomfortable, it's a smart idea to call an embassy. Motorcycle insurance claims. One aspect of getting into a type of motorcycle collision has to do with dealing with the insurance companies. We all know that insurance companies are out for their own profit, but it motorcycle accidents. The insurance company sometimes takes it a step further by trying to close your case out as soon as possible. This allows the insurance company to have you sign documents that. Another problem with the insurance company is that they may take long periods of the time to get back you on information relating to your case. This is common tactic used by A lapse in your motorcycle treatment can negativity after affect your claim when you try to negotiate a statement. The insurance company will say that the injury cases were never regularly treated and therefore must not be significant enough to warrant a statement. The last major issue is speaking with a insurance company involves liability. If the circumstances supporting your accident are even slightly questionable, the official insurance company is likely to delay part or all of your claim, saving you were that at fault driver. It is important to note that speaking with your insurance company without the supervision of an experienced motorcycle attorney is not recommended. For instance, our firm would assist you speaking with your insurance company or opening the claim. This allows us to make sure nothing is said to imply any wrongdoing or liability issues on your part. Our Los Angeles motorcycle accident law firm prides itself on knowing that when you call the insurance company, they listen. We guide your clients to put them in the best legal position before every speaking with the insurance company about a statement. We go over your directly with you so that if you do ever speak with the insurance company, you are prepared. You can read more insurance claim here. I think it's very helpful for you guys. So thank to watching. Bye bye.